Hello friends, I welcome you all to this channel. I've got good number of students sitting here and a few students want to know certain questions from me on the spot. The question that has been given to me by one of the students, what's your name? Ronak. Ronak has given me a question, the website that you usually visit, that's one. When do you visit, which website is it? What have you learned, and so on and so forth. Now I'm going to give you the answer which is going to be an answer to a number of questions. वैसे questions भी अगर आते हैं तो आंसर ये वाला चल सकता है दोस्तों. Don't worry. Talk about the person you would like to meet. Talk about the conversation you had with somebody or with some stranger. Now, whether it is website or the person you met or the person you would like to meet, if I talk about a particular person और उसकी website आपने देखी, उसी बंदे को आप मिलना चाहते हैं, उसी बंदे को आप मिले थे, the only difference is that the first sentence has to be a little different. मिला था, I met. मिलना चाहता हूं, I would like to meet. Website I visited the website of जो भी बंदा वही है. And the answer goes on like this. Well, you don't have to note down, it's okay. Well, it was 2 days ago, my teacher, Mr. Banerjee, was talking about his teacher, Dr. S.L. Saini. I was really interested to know more about Dr. S.L. Saini because Mr. Banerjee, my English teacher, told me that Dr. S.L. Saini is called or is known as the Green Man of Haryana. Is known as the Green Man of Haryana. So I looked for his website and I came to know a lot more about Dr. S.L. Saini. I visited his website. And it came as a kind of transformation in my personality. मेरी personality में change आया. The website told me that Dr. S.L. Saini, who's basically from Yamunanagar, was a professor of mathematics at MLN College, Yamunanagar. Further it told, that means website ने बताया, further the website told that Dr. S.L. Saini has planted over 3 lakh saplings in over 3 decades or 30 years. 30 साल में Dr. S.L. Saini ने 3 लाख से ऊपर पौधे लगाए, and today they are grown up, very healthy and shady trees. They are grown up, healthy and shady trees. And further I came to know that if Yamunanagar, the people of Yamunanagar are breathing pure air, it is because of Dr. S.L. Saini, his efforts, the efforts of the entire team. And because of that website, now I've decided to visit him someday, to meet him and to learn more, and I wish to start the same campaign in Karnal also. So that website is a complete website. It talks about him, his background, his vision, his achievements, his awards, and his contribution towards the people of not just Yamunanagar, rather nearby places also. The best thing about him, that is his strategy. Whenever somebody is dead, somebody is born, somebody has got marriage anniversary or birthday, he would always encourage the people to plant a sapling in his or her name. So the website has changed my life. अब यही आंसर कहां आएगा आपका? मैं मिला उनको, उनसे बातचीत की. While I was going to Chandigarh, I met him at Ambala bus station. We traveled together to Chandigarh. मिले थे. मिलना चाहूंगा, वेबसाइट देखने के बाद मिलना चाहूंगा. Same answer. Dr. S.L. Saini can be the best answer. Yes, this is a fact. Dr. S.L. Saini ने मुझे मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ाई थी 1986-87 में. That's all. Thank you very much. Long live Dr. S.L. Saini. Thank you very much.